How to mine Pi Network on iPhone and Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily start mining Pi Network on your Android or iPhone. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Pi Network and install the application. Now once you have installed the application, go ahead and open it up. And once you launch the app, you will have to sign into an account, or if you're new, you can sign up for a new account. You can either continue with your Facebook or continue with your phone number. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Facebook account. Now just go ahead and tap on continue and make sure that you're logged into your correct Facebook account. Here you will have to provide your first name, last name, and then you can choose your username. Make sure that you set your username as unique. Now tap on submit. You're going to have to complete the quick CAPTCHA, and once you have done that, tap on next, and your account should be registered. If you have a referral code or referral link, you're going to have to enter it here, but if you don't have it, tap on no one invited. So just tap on don't add anyone. Now tap on get started and your account is successfully created. Now you can tap here to start mining your Pi coin, and if you want, you could keep on mining, so just tap on yes and you will get the notification when it ends the session. And as you can see on the top of the screen, it has started mining some Pi coin, so you'll just have to wait and it will notify you when it's done by the end of the day. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.